Hello, what's up, Holochain holders, guys? Once again, welcome to Abby Stakes channel. In this video, I'm talking about the Holochain. What's the price update of Holochain? Let me show you. Now, guys, the right now price of Holochain is about 0.009781 USD dollar. That is the right now price of Holochain. Furthermore, guys, if we talk about the chain is last 1 hour, last 1 day. So the right now changes is going positive. I mean the latest changes is going positive in the market. And furthermore, if we talk about the last 20 days changes, 7 days changes, so the last 7 days changes is about negative 20.78%. Let me show you a price chart of Holochain for more and better understanding. Guys, you can see here that is the last 7 days update of a Holochain. If you look the changes, so you can see here negative 21.54% the price changes. That is the right now price changes in our Holochain. But other side, if we talk about the price chart, so from a latest situation, I believe that now Holochain in the pump. You can see here gradually, slowly the price of Holochain start increasing. So now I'm going satisfied about Holochain, and I believe that they continue this jump for a long time. That's why I love Holochain for investment, guys. Anyways, guys, what's your prediction? What is your opinion about Holochain? Please also share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and updates videos.